Next time you make breakfast, try this recipe I learned from a friend in Italy. I'm going to start by adding 3 eggs here into this bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to mix everything really well. No rush. These ingredients give it such a special flavor in the end. You're going to love it. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Brandon Miller from Austin, Texas. I'm really happy you're enjoying the recipes. It's so easy to make that even someone with no kitchen experience can prepare this delicious dish. Perfect for those days when you want to eat well without complicating things. And remember, the tips I'm showing you here are exclusive to this page. I'm explaining everything in detail, so it'll be easy when you make it yourself. I'm adding 6 slices of bread here into this greased pan. Make sure to keep the heat low. That makes the result even better. Now I'm pouring the mixed ingredients right on top. Just spread it evenly. Look how nice this is going to turn out. I'll cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to use a plate to flip it and cook the other side. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Spread it well, just like this. This recipe is perfect for anyone who loves practicality without giving up flavor. If you like simple tips like this, stay tuned. There's a lot more coming. I made this yesterday for my friends and they loved it so much they begged me to come here and teach it to you. I also chopped half an onion to add. Go ahead and spread it out. With this method, there's no way to go wrong. Just follow along with me. I bet you're finding it super easy to make. You probably even have all these ingredients sitting right there in your kitchen. I'm also adding half a chopped tomato. These ingredients together create an explosion of flavor. It's the kind of dish that transforms a simple meal into something unforgettable. I'm adding parsley to boost the flavor even more. Look at that. It's going to turn out perfect, I'm sure of it. Now I'm adding 4 slices of mozzarella. I'll cover it again and let it cook for another 5 minutes, always keeping the heat low. Look at this, the visual alone is amazing. The smell is already taking over my whole kitchen. It's such a different way to use bread. Tell me this doesn't make you want to try it just by looking at it. After transferring it to another dish, you can go ahead and slice it. It's so delicious it'll probably disappear fast in your house. The ingredients are full of flavor and have great health benefits. A tasty and nutritious recipe. Now that you've learned it, just make it at home the same way. It's a great option to bring the family together. The soft texture makes all the difference. Look at that. The perfect combination of practicality and flavor, right in your kitchen.